A heart murmur is something that you hear. Normally you listen to somebody's heart, you hear lub-dub, which is the heart valves opening and closing. When there's a heart murmur, you hear lub-dub or lub-dub-sh, and that is the heart murmur. Actually, 50% of kids have heart murmurs, and if we listen to every kid every day, we'd probably hear it in about 90% of kids. So often it's not something that we need to worry about. There's two kinds of heart murmurs. There are what we call innocent heart murmurs, which are the ones that most children have. Sometimes people call those functional murmurs, benign murmurs, flow murmurs, and those are very normal. Those are very different than what we call pathologic murmurs, and pathologic murmurs come from either narrowing at a valve or leakage at a valve or a hole in the heart. And those, of course, are the ones that we need to do more investigation and also more treatment for.